Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted history on Google Chrome. Make sure to subscribe to this channel before that. And now you want to go ahead and open up your Chrome, sign into your account and enter My Activity. Now to look for your activity, basically for search terms you have searched, you can click on three dots at the bottom and click on History. And here you will find all of your activity today, and basically this will be a not deleted browsing data. Now if you go ahead to My Activity, click on it. From here you will scroll down until you see, here it is, today's activity, and this is the activity you have searched for today. Now, if you click on the X button, it will delete immediately. If you click X and cancel it, it will recover it back on. Now, if you have deleted this search history like long time ago, then it's not available anymore, sadly. And yeah, you can only cancel and recover it instantly. But maybe you will find it here. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.